If you're using Opera GX on a laptop, you probably want to get as much battery life as possible while browsing. Fortunately, Opera GX includes a built-in battery saver feature designed to reduce power consumption and help your laptop last longer between charges. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Battery Saver in Opera GX. Let's get started. Click the Opera GX logo in the top left corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. You can also press Alt+P on your keyboard to open Settings instantly. Once you're inside Settings, use the search bar at the top and type Battery Saver. This will take you directly to the relevant setting. Alternatively, you can scroll through the available settings until you find the Battery Saver section. Here you'll see an option to enable Battery Saver. Turn the feature on. Many users leave this enabled so they don't have to manually manage the setting every time they disconnect their charger. One thing to keep in mind is that if you're playing online browser games or using websites that rely heavily on real-time updates, you may prefer to leave Battery Saver disabled to ensure maximum performance. This is because Battery Saver is designed to reduce background activity whenever possible, which is great for battery life but not always ideal for performance-focused tasks. You might be wondering what Battery Saver actually does behind the scenes. The feature helps reduce power consumption by limiting unnecessary browser activity. For example, Opera GX reduces activity in background tabs, pauses certain plugins and animations, reschedules JavaScript timers, and optimizes video playback settings to use less power. In most cases, you won't notice any major difference while browsing, but your laptop battery may last noticeably longer. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Battery Saver in Opera GX. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Opera GX tutorials, browser optimization guides, gaming browser tips, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.